A new country, a new language. Welcome to Read with Rimmi. We read, we grow. Maya and her little brother Arjun were moving to a new country with their parents. Their house was full of boxes, bags, and memories. Their mom was carefully packing homemade snacks in airtight containers. Their dad was folding clothes and double checking passports. Will we still get grandma's mango candy there? Arjun asked. Maya smiled. Of course. Mom packed 3 jars. They were excited but also nervous. New streets, new people, new food, and a new language, English. They could understand a little, but speaking it felt scary. A few days after landing, Maya and her parents went grocery shopping. It was a bright, cheerful store filled with fruits and vegetables, some familiar, some strange. Maya looked at the friendly shopkeeper and asked, Can I have that green vegetable that looks like cucumber? The shopkeeper smiled. You mean zucchini? Maya laughed. Yes, that one zucchini. He chuckled. I used to call it green cucumber too when I first moved here. English was new for me as well. You are not from here? She asked. No, he said kindly, but there's a channel that helped me improve my English. He held out his phone and said, It's called Read with Rimmi. I still follow it. Maya leaned in curious. It's simple, the shopkeeper continued. You read stories out loud, just like a friend is reading with you. Arjun peeked over. So, just reading? Yes, the shopkeeper nodded. When you read more, your tongue gets used to the words, and slowly speaking becomes easier. He smiled warmly. That's how I started. One story a day, read aloud, listen carefully, and speak with confidence. The shopkeeper said softly, I used to avoid speaking because I was scared of making mistakes. He looked at Maya and smiled. But then I learned. Mistakes means you are trying. Reading gave me the courage to speak. That evening, Maya and Arjun sat on the couch with their mom and dad. They told them about the channel they had discovered, Read with Rimmi. Maya said, the shopkeeper said it helped him speak better. Arjun added, it's all about reading stories, and reading helps us speak. Their mom smiled, let's try it together. They watched their first video, read aloud, and laughed through every pause. That night, their dad said, learning together feels good. Maya nodded. It's not like homework, it's fun. Arjun grinned. I'm picking the next story. English didn't feel like a barrier anymore. It felt like a door opening. And that's why they practice English every day. Thanks for listening. We are learning and growing together.